In this video, I'm going to show you how to get a refund on Whop step by step so you can find your order history, submit your request properly, and increase your chances of getting approved. If this tutorial helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple software and platform guides just like this. Now let's jump right in. First, open your browser and go to whop.com, then sign into your account. Once you're logged in, make sure you're on your home feed. This matters because that's where you'll be able to access your account options and order history more easily. Next, look to the top right corner of the screen and click on your profile avatar or icon. A drop-down menu will appear, and from there, select Orders. This will take you to your billing history, where you can see your past transactions and purchases. Now, scroll through your order history and locate the specific transaction you want refunded. Take your time here and make sure you choose the correct order, especially if you've made multiple purchases on Whop. Once you've found the transaction, click the three dots next to it. This opens additional options for that order. From the menu, select Request Refund. After that, Whop will guide you through the refund request process with on-screen prompts. At this stage, you'll usually need to select your reason for requesting the refund. Be honest and clear when choosing the reason, because the more accurate your response is, the easier it is to explain your case. Then, you'll be asked to provide more details about your situation. This is where you should write a detailed explanation of why you're requesting the refund. If possible, include helpful evidence to support your request. For example, you can upload screenshots showing your attempts to contact the creator, proof that the product did not work as expected, or any other relevant information that helps explain your issue. The goal is to make your request as clear and complete as possible so it can be reviewed properly. Once everything is filled out, review your information one last time and submit the refund request. After that, all you have to do is wait for Whop or the creator to review your request and respond. If you don't hear back right away, keep an eye on your email and your Whop account for any updates or follow-up messages. And that's it. You now know how to get a refund on Whop by finding your order, opening the refund request, and submitting the right details and evidence. If this video was helpful, please give it a like and subscribe for more quick tutorials and step-by-step guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.